I sort of worked so hard at trying to do it, and he just sits down and goes,
You've done a pretty good job. No, don't touch your own.
Good.
Happy days.
Yeah.
oh,
Right,
oh,
now I sneeze.
bigger and better than
Yeah.
mine.
Yeah, it's when you got to lay the paper down now, isn't it? You've got people watching you and the camera's rolling.
Absolute pressure.
No pressure
Sorry?
whatsoever.
I'm not ready for
That
this.
sounds- yeah, it's a special kind of water. It's like a water with some oil in, and then all the colours just sit on the top. And then you put the paper on, and it goes onto the paper.
Come on, then, let's see the big reveal.
No, not wet.
Right.
You
Moment
have
of
a watch,
truth.
It's going to be like magic. You saw it going in, and it was plain white, wasn't it?
There he is. Hang on
crossed.
for a second.
Yeah.
Alright,
So,
that's
now
right.
you come and have go round by Charles's side, and as he takes the paper out, you'll be able to see it. Look,
It'll bleed everywhere.
and it's going to go blah, blah, blah. It's like magic.
I know, it's
Happy
perfect,
days.
isn't it?
It's not too bad,
That's
is it?
really good, isn't it?
That's good.
You want to
Let's
take your mum,
lay
you
it on
want
the
it.
drying rack and then we'll inspect it.
Sorry, I'm spending
Come
your
for the
money.
inspection.
I'm holding to tell you that you want to go.
It's like a sort of...
I think that's pretty good, isn't it?
Quite pleased
There's
with that,
nothing.
yeah.
There's no bleeding.
Colours are really
bright.
vibrant,
The
yeah.
background's nice. Good. Well done.
Happy
That,
days.
that deserves a handshake.
Thank you very much there, James.
Now, I want to try and do a bird. So I go through.
No. Well, I'm gonna have to show. I'm gonna have to show you on
Through
it.
No,
there,
yeah.
Sorry.
and then you do.
Yeah, it's slightly less than half. So you want your nail a bit further down. Let's see,
There.
because you need enough room. Yeah, and then sort of flick through here for the tail of the bird. That's it. And now you want to come back. Don't clean it.
Oh.
You want to come in. The reason we don't clean it is because we want that kind of trail. But you need to come higher up. That's it. And now into here. Then stop. Bring it up. And now you come in and do your wings. So split that in half now.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Just keep splitting those now until you've got your wings where you want them. There you go. And now do the
Bring
beak.
out
Yeah. Just do the beak. There you go.
this
Beautiful.
little beak.
Twitter will have that off you.
Very well indeed.
Oh my god.
Psychedelic eye.
See how big your eye goes. Oh, it's nice.
It's got a little eye.
Yeah.
Eye with my little eye.
Well done. Right, let's see if you can get it onto the paper now.
Man of no faith.
What?
Little faith. Oops, sorry. That's
Don't worry
on the
about that.
floor. The moment of truth. Can I have a roll of drums, please?
Ta-da!
Oh.
Come on then, bring it over.
Oh.
Don't let go of it there.
Drop it back in the basin.
Yeah.
Let's get it up on the rack.
Careful, I'll drop the.
Don't worry about that.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Like it.
Very good. Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please let me know in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can keep up with new content.